Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working GPS with at least 50% battery and map data loaded. Once done, pull up the GPS interface and enter the map screen so you're ready to input coordinates. Make sure you have the exact target coordinates written down, latitude/longitude, or grid values, because typing errors ruin the route. Also equip a physical compass and map as a fail-safe. That prevents getting stranded if the device fails. Now proceed to enter the first coordinate. You type the coordinates, taking care to match the GPS format, decimals or degrees minutes seconds, because format mismatch gives wrong locations. After entering, confirm by selecting Set Waypoint or Lock and watch the marker appear on the map. This visual check proves accuracy. Once the marker is visible, zoom the map to 1/2 or 1/4 scale to verify placement relative to terrain features. If it looks off, edit the numbers and relock. Keep your finger on menu, prompts to avoid accidental cancellation. You finish by setting navigation to the active waypoint and following the bearing using the HUD arrow and distance readout. Move steadily and check landmarks as you go. If the GPS loses satellite lock, don't panic. Switch to your compass and map, head to a clear area to regain signal, and then relock the waypoint. Once en route, save the waypoint or screenshot the map for offline use. And note hazards like rivers or fences, so you can adjust your path quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.